So, here we are.
Here we are.
So this is the way we come down. I have footage of us coming down. It's just, as you can see, it's raining somewhat.
Yes, it is raining quite a bit. You can see here on that wall that it's got the demarcation where they've had to re-pour it at the top. If you watch his
It's been all technical now.
Yeah. If you watch his YouTube videos, he tells you when they found it, it was all broken, and then they had to dig a little further so that they could get their equipment down this far, because it's really far.
So this is one of the doors. I'm not going to go out there because it's wet.
It's wet.
But you come in here and then you get to see a little video, which I'm not playing, but you get to see a welcome video.
Yeah.
And then here's the door, which I'm going to demonstrate. I'm not trying to just pull. We have Shoshana opening the big storm door.
Hello.
Let go.
Let him go. It's doing its thing.
There you go, see? Big storm door. Then she's going to push it the rest of its way. So she's not in the line of fire with this thing, which is what she tried to do the other day. Doesn't you, Shush?
I kind of did.
So we're just going to video, we'll just keep going. Then you walk through the storm door. So these are rated to 1,000 psi.
Yes. And this is the locking mechanism that they had to break.
No. So then you come into here, we're in here. So she's going to try not to kill herself. Get it going and then let go.
No, it's not going to keep going if I don't pull it. Now I can pull it.
As you can tell, I am not 100% confident that Josh is not going to hurt herself with the door.
It's good.
Can we open this door? And that's when we came up with the idea. Part of the problem is just prying on the door piston would work, except the pressure from the water was binding on it. We didn't even try to do it without putting pressure on it. So the idea that you're about to see is we're going to put pressure on the door from the excavator while we pry on this top piston mechanism. So the goal is we're going to be prying on it really hard. We're going to tell the operator to bump it, which means put some pressure against here, and we're going to see what happens. And as you may have seen in other videos, it worked. So let's roll that final tape of us opening this door.
Cylinder against the wall or not?
About that far.
No? No. How much gap does that cylinder have?
What?
2 inches? Inch and a half. Inch and a half.
What do you mean gap?
Okay.
Right here, he can't scrape this, he can't.
Yeah, you can't even bump that. I mean, it'll cause a leak.
Well,
He's good.
unless the door moves in an inch and a half.
Okay. We're checking. All right, you ready for him to bump it?
Bump it.
Bump it, yeah.
Holy crap.
Goodness, I didn't expect that.
Door go. Hey, the door's open.
You lost your gloves. Is that water cold?
This no more.
Hey,
Well, I don't have to pee anymore.
is the water cold? Is that water cold? It's cold?
It's cold war water.
How's the fish? Felt like I caught a whale. You did, him.
Woo, I'm shaking.
Well, it's already stopped coming up. It ain't come up no more.
That was it. I wish you could see Gene's eyes about this big around saying, oh! Hey, remember yesterday when he told you, don't panic.
You got the worst end of it when it come out there and it's immediately.
I wasn't expecting to pop. All right, I'm done with this thing.
you get here, and then through there is the tunnel to the silo. It's locked, and he's going to show us that when we leave.
Yeah.
But that's the crawl space, crawl tunnel to where the silo missile would have been. And then we have the magic. Don't do it yet.
Okay.
The magic button.
Say
She's
when.
going to push it up, and then this happens. Why do you think we need it vertical? And in here is a little pocket toilet. And a shower. See? There we go. So there we have it. A little shower. And you go in, and then for privacy, you shut it again. See?
Hi.
But I'm going to stop it there and bring it back out because I don't want to go pee. And these are the locking mechanisms, as you can see. Look at those.
Yeah.
And they've removed
Conduit.
all the bolts and the hydraulics.
Yeah.
This is the other door, which is currently behind Shoshana.
Stood open.
It's open and leads into the LCC. What's the LCC?
Yes, the command.
The Launch Control Center.
Yes, exactly.
So we're going to go through this tunnel.
Let's go.
And we're in what would have been the control room.
Level 2.
Level 2.
Which
And it's 3 levels. Level 1 is above us, level 2 and level 3. And then it's all sprung on what they call a bird cage. And it's hung from the ceiling of the silo on these springs. So you look at this spring. Shosh is going to stand next to spring.
For scale.
Scale.
Yes.
It's a big spring.
It's a big spring.
Isn't it?
It is.
And all I kept doing when I got here was look at the springs.
Yeah, I know. No.
And
And then the roof of this room.
He's got it sort of laid out like the lights of a rocket launcher, hasn't he?
He does. It's very cool.
So then there's 2 bedrooms here, but this what would have been the launch control room. So this is where all the panels were, and you can see where they used to be on the floor here.
Yeah, there would be a desk here, and then
Main desk here,
and all
with
of
Shosh's.
all of the panels were inset here,
Yeah.
which they've had to refill because of the cables. And then here is where the actual original
Staircase was going to be, but what they've done is put the spiral in
Which is pretty
to get
cool.
better space,
Yeah.
right? Should we go up or down?
Let's go up.
Okay, you go first.
Okay.
Josh is going to show us how to walk up the stairs.
So behind the stairs is one of the emergency exits.
So if you think about it, while Shosh goes up there with us, so I don't look up her skirt, this is separated from the wall. So the wall of the silo, and this is hung, and it basically is freestanding, hanging like a bird cage. So as you go over to look on the gap here, you can see that it's a gap, and it goes all the way down. See? So we're going to go upstairs. This is the main bedroom, level 1. You ready, everybody? Look at this space.
It's got a good echo.
And it's a good echo. So there's the spiral staircase we just came up, isn't it, Josh?
Yes.
And then you've got over here, you can see where the cage is hung from the wall. And then we have this fabulous shower unit. Tell us about the shower unit and how it's constructed.
Right, because we're hanging, you can't have things fixed both to the floor and the walls. So the actual shower itself is affixed to the wall, but the floor is separate. So this is kind of floating, which is very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And it's like got multiple shower head thing going on.
it was an awesome shower.
Yes. And then big space, there's a little electric fan there. You can probably hear the echoey on the mics.
Yeah. This is right here. This is perfect. perfect spot.
Yes, and then there's a big slipper tub here that we've got our towels hanging on.
Yeah.
And then a couple of vanities, and you can see it's hidden all the plumbing in the concrete.
Yes. And then you've got the
And this is a, what was it?
cantilever.
Cantilevered bed, so
it's
there's no
not-
legs.
No legs whatsoever.
Okay? And it's all cantilevered off the main steel at the back here. If you see it. And it's pretty awesome, isn't it, Shosh?
Yeah, yeah.
We have a little mini fridge and a coffee machine, and some coffee.
And then an actually closed toilet.
Yes, and then there's a closed toilet with a light and a foot washer,
No.
a bidet, for washing the clagger off your poopy hole.
Thank you so much.
Very tasteful lighting, fans and everything.
Electricity galore, like
There's outlets everywhere.
everywhere.
Clearly going to get into the echo bit again, right in the middle, see?
I really like the echo.
There's the centre of the silo.
Yeah. So this would have been sleeping quarters.
For the crew. 4-man crew in the Titan 2 missile silo. Silo commander, a deputy commander, a launch technician, and a missile technician. We're going to continue now to level 3. Say hello.
Hello.
So the first thing is our escape exit. As you see, there's an exit sign. Shosh is going to demonstrate said exit. No, she's not going to stand in front of the exit once the video.
I'm opening it.
And there's our escape exit in here. And you go down there and you get to the end, and then there's a vertical ladder which you can just see
Yes, that goes 50 feet up.
that goes 50 feet up. There's the ladder. Okay? And you crawl along there, and that's how you get out in the case of an emergency. And then we go up here to our well-appointed kitchenette. So as you can see, very modern, steel cabinets on wheels, a fridge,
Fridge,
coffee machine,
yes.
stove,
Freezer,
freezer,
dishwasher, microwave.
dishwasher, microwave. And these are electronics cabinets for all these things. So then, Josh is going to turn it on.
I'll turn it on.
Well, then everything's controlled by little galaxy pads. Then you can turn the lights off. And it goes dark, see? And then what comes up on the screen,
Steep dive. This allows you to maintain the lowest possible altitude and the only possible attack angle. Your target is an impact point less than 3 meters wide. The two-seat aircraft will paint the target with a laser bullseye. The first pair will breach the reactor by dropping a laser-guided bomb on an exposed ventilation hatch. This will create an opening for the second pair.
Josh is down here.
Hi.
Down here, look, there she is. Wave, say hello.
Hello.
It's our big living space.
Yeah.
The tables and there's a washing machine over here. And that's where we're staying. It's exciting, isn't it, Josh? We're very happy.
Oh, he's awesome.
Oh, Josh is going to go do dance.
No, I'm not.
Bye bye, everybody. We'll see you soon.